Hey everyone, I hope you are well. Today's topic is how to easily create flipbook animation with Photoshop and Slate editor. Let's start. Once your project is created, you now want to have the timeline activated. You have to go on Window and search for Timeline. You will see the timeline appear on the bottom of your screen. Click on Create Video Timeline. You are now able to zoom in and out with this little cursor. And you can also navigate frame by frame in the timeline. We continue by adding a video layer. So we have to go in Layer, search for Video Layer, and create a new empty video layer. This will allow us to have our entire animation on this layer by drawing frame by frame. Before start drawing something, I recommend you to adjust few settings on your timeline like the FPS and the onion skin. I will keep my FPS the same because I will export as a sequence, and I activate and set the onion skin to see one frame before and after. Now let's show you a quick time-lapse of my VFX animation. Once finished, we can visualize the animation by pressing the spacebar, and if there is nothing to adjust, we are going to export it to Slate editor in order to create a flipbook. For that we have to go to Files, Export, and Video Render. We can now adjust the name and the path of the export. We can also choose the export type between image sequence and video render, so we are gonna select image sequence. I keep the PNG format because I need a transparent background, and I also keep the image size and the FPS by default. To finish, we have to select the range of the export. You have the choice between every frame, a range between the first and the last frame, and the work area. Personally, I will keep the work area. Once done, click Render. And normally here it is, all frame of the animation. We will now see how to create a flipbook with Slate editor. I'll give you the link below. First, open Slate and go to File. Search for New From folder. Now you have to select the right folder with all your animation frames and click Open. You will see all of your frames being reordered in Flipbook. You can adjust multiple things on this tool, but today we are gonna focus on the export. Here is the export settings on the right where you can adjust the total size of the image, the name, the path and the format. Once set, press Render Layers. And finally that's it. You are now able to use it in your project. Personally, I use it as a VFX example for this video. Please don't hesitate to leave me a comment to tell me if it was useful and to help me improve my next videos. Ciao!